It's that time again, folks. Google's dropped their latest Pixel phones, and the tech world is buzzing. The Pixel 9 series is here, boasting impressive specs and Google's signature AI magic. Everyone wants to know, can these new Pixels hold their own against the reigning champs, Apple's iPhones? More specifically, how will they stack up against the rumored powerhouse, the iPhone 16, expected later this year? The Pixel has always been the underdog, but with each iteration, Google closes the gap. This year's Pixel 9 series seems particularly ambitious. We're talking cutting-edge camera tech, powerful processors, and refined designs. It's clear Google's gunning for the top spot. But let's not forget about Apple. The iPhone remains a symbol of premium quality and user experience. While details about the iPhone 16 are still under wraps, rumors suggest significant camera upgrades and a new A17 chip that could redefine smartphone performance. The stage is set for an epic showdown. Let's dive into the details and see how these titans compare. Let's break down the Pixel 9 lineup. Google's sticking with their three-tiered approach: Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL.
The Pixel 9, with a 6.3-inch display, is your everyday driver. Essential features at a more accessible price. The Pixel 9 Pro has a larger 6.7-inch display and extra camera tricks. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, with its 7-inch display, offers the ultimate experience.
No matter which Pixel 9 you choose, you get Google's clean software and impressive AI. From Google Assistant to Google Photos, these phones make life easier and more connected. Now, let's talk about the phone that's not even in the room yet: the iPhone 16. Apple's known for their secrecy, but leaks give us a glimpse into what's coming.
The iPhone 16 lineup is rumored to mirror the Pixel 9 structure, with a standard iPhone 16 and the top-tier iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Expect a new A17 chip, a refined design, and perhaps new color options. Rumors suggest a significant camera overhaul for the Pro models, potentially including a periscope lens for enhanced zoom.
All of this is speculation until Apple makes it official. But one thing's for sure: the iPhone 16 lineup will be a force to be reckoned with. When it comes to design, Pixel and iPhone have always taken different approaches. The Pixel 9 series continues Google's minimalist aesthetic, with clean lines, a focus on functionality, and a distinctive camera bar on the back. The materials are premium, with Gorilla Glass, Victus, and aluminum frames across the board. The iPhone, on the other hand, is rumored to be sticking with its flat-edged design language, albeit with some potential refinements. Think surgical-grade stainless steel and Apple's signature attention to detail. Both approaches have their merits. The Pixel's design is understated and elegant, while the iPhone exudes a sense of luxury and precision. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference. In terms of displays, both the Pixel 9 and iPhone 16 are expected to feature stunning OLED panels with high refresh rates for buttery smooth scrolling and responsiveness. We're talking vibrant colors, inky blacks, and exceptional clarity. It's a close call in this department.
Performance and power. The brains behind the beauty. Under the hood, both the Pixel 9 and iPhone 16 are packing serious heat. The Pixel 9 series is powered by Google's Tensor G3 processor, designed with AI and machine learning at its core. This translates to lightning-fast performance, enhanced camera capabilities, and seamless integration with Google's suite of apps and services. The iPhone 16, on the other hand, is rumored to boast Apple's A17 Bionic chip, which is expected to be a significant leap forward in mobile processing power. Apple's A-series chips are known for their industry-leading performance and efficiency, and the A17 is likely to continue that trend. Benchmarks aside, both phones are expected to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just browsing the web, you can expect a smooth and responsive experience. Camera comparisons, capturing moments, Pixel versus iPhone. The camera is arguably the most important feature for many smartphone users, and both Google and Apple know it. The Pixel 9 series builds on Google's legacy of computational photography, leveraging AI and software prowess to deliver exceptional image quality. Features like Magic Eraser, Night Sight, and Portrait Mode have become synonymous with the Pixel brand. The iPhone 16, as mentioned earlier, is rumored to be getting a major camera upgrade, particularly in the Pro models. We're talking about a potential periscope lens for enhanced zoom capabilities, larger sensors for better low-light performance, and perhaps even some new software tricks up Apple's sleeve. Both camera systems have their strengths. The Pixel excels in computational photography, delivering consistently excellent results with minimal effort. The iPhone, on the other hand, is known for its accurate colors, wide dynamic range, and user-friendly interface. It's a tight race, and the winner will likely come down to personal preference. Battery life and charging. Staying powered up. Battery life is crucial, and neither Google nor Apple wants to be caught slipping. The Pixel 9 series is rumored to pack larger batteries compared to its predecessors, aiming to provide all-day battery life for even the most demanding users. Google's also improved its fast charging capabilities, allowing you to juice up your phone quickly. The iPhone 16, while not expected to make any drastic leaps in battery capacity, is rumored to feature improved power efficiency thanks to the A17 chip and iOS optimizations. Apple's also been gradually improving its fast charging speeds, though they still lag behind some Android competitors. Ultimately, battery life will depend on individual usage patterns. However, both phones are expected to provide enough juice to get you through a full day of moderate use. The Android versus iOS debate, a matter of preference. The age-old debate, Android or iOS, it's a question that has sparked countless arguments and internet forums. The Pixel 9 series runs on the latest version of Android, offering a clean, bloatware-free experience with tight integration with Google's suite of apps and services. Android is known for its customization options, open ecosystem, and wider selection of apps and games. The iPhone 16, of course, runs on iOS, Apple's proprietary mobile operating system. iOS is known for its simplicity, user-friendliness, and focus on privacy and security. Apple's ecosystem is tightly controlled, offering a seamless experience across its devices. Both operating systems are incredibly capable and refined. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Do you value customization and flexibility? Android might be the way to go. Do you prioritize simplicity, security, and a seamless ecosystem experience? iOS could be the better option. The verdict. Which phone reigns supreme? So, there you have it. The Pixel 9 series and the iPhone 16 are shaping up to be two of the most compelling smartphones of the year. Both phones boast impressive specs, stunning displays, powerful cameras, and refined designs. Choosing between them is no easy feat. It ultimately comes down to your individual needs and priorities. If you're deeply entrenched in Google's ecosystem and prioritize a clean, AI-powered Android experience, the Pixel 9 might be the perfect fit. If you value Apple's ecosystem, prioritize simplicity and security, and can't resist the allure of the Apple brand, the iPhone 16 could be your best bet. Whichever way you lean, one thing's for sure. The competition between these two tech giants is a win for consumers. With each iteration, we're seeing increasingly innovative and powerful smartphones that push the boundaries of what's possible.